Have you ever wondered how a glass bottle is made? It starts with simple sand and ends as a strong, clear container. The process is a blend of science and art, raw materials transformed by heat, pressure, and precision. Sand, soda ash, and limestone are the main ingredients, but it's the factory's roaring furnaces and precise machines that make the magic happen. We'll follow the journey from raw materials to finished bottles, revealing the power and creativity behind every step. Imagine furnaces hotter than volcanoes and machines shaping molten glass with pinpoint accuracy. Each bottle tells a story of fire, air, and human ingenuity. So let's put on our safety goggles and dive into the world of glassmaking. We'll see how sand becomes a shiny, strong bottle, an ancient process powered by modern technology. Get ready to discover the science and art behind every glass bottle you hold. Every glass bottle starts with a precise recipe. The main ingredient is pure silica sand, which gives glass its strength and clarity. Soda ash is added to lower the melting point, making the process more energy efficient. Limestone strengthens the glass, ensuring bottles can withstand daily use. The secret ingredient? Recycled glass or cullet, which melts even faster and saves energy. Using cullet means fewer raw materials and a greener process. Glass can be recycled endlessly without losing quality. These ingredients are measured and mixed with care, forming a dry batch ready for transformation. The exact proportions are crucial for high-quality glass. Once mixed, the batch is ready for its fiery journey. This careful preparation is the foundation for every perfect bottle. Next stop, the furnace. The batch travels by conveyor into a massive furnace burning at 1,500 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. Inside, the sand, soda ash, limestone, and cullet melt and fuse into molten glass, bubbling and churning as gases escape. Impurities burn away or sink, leaving a smooth, consistent liquid. If colored glass is needed, chemicals like iron or carbon are added now. The molten glass flows into a cooler section called the refiner, where it thickens slightly for better control. This stage ensures the glass is perfectly mixed and ready for shaping. The transformation from powder to glowing liquid is complete. Now the glass is prepared for its next step: precise cutting. The furnace is the heart of the factory, turning raw materials into pure molten glass. Next we shape this glowing river into bottles. The molten glass flows from the refiner into the forehearth, where its temperature is finely tuned. At the end, sharp shears snip the stream into perfectly measured gobs, each a glowing red-hot drop destined to become a bottle. The size of each gob is critical. It determines the thickness and strength of the final bottle. Hundreds of gobs are cut every minute, each one identical thanks to precise automation. Gravity guides each gob down a chute into the first mold. The term gob may sound funny, but it's the essential building block of every bottle. This rapid, synchronized process ensures uniformity and efficiency. Each gob's journey is short but vital, setting the stage for shaping. The system is a symphony of moving parts, flowing glass, flashing shears, and waiting molds. Turning a continuous river into individual gobs is a marvel of engineering. Now the real transformation begins as each gob enters the mold. The next step, shaping the bottle. Precision here means every bottle is nearly identical. The glowing gob lands in the blank mold, starting the press and blow process. A metal plunger presses the glass, forming the neck and distributing material evenly. The result is a parison, a stubby, thick-walled pre-bottle. The parison is quickly transferred to the blow mold, which has the bottle's final shape. Compressed air inflates the parison, expanding it to fit the mold perfectly. In seconds, the glass transforms into a finished bottle. The mold opens and a mechanical arm lifts out the hot, newly formed bottle. This high-speed process repeats hundreds of times per minute. The press and blow method ensures every bottle is strong and consistent. From fiery gob to familiar shape, it's industrial magic in action. The bottle is formed, but it's still red-hot and fragile. Next, it must be cooled and strengthened. Shaping is just the beginning. The bottle is still dangerously hot and fragile. Rapid cooling would cause cracks, so bottles travel through a long oven called an annealing lehr. The lehr gradually lowers the temperature, relieving internal stresses. This slow, controlled cooling makes the glass strong and durable. The process takes about an hour, ensuring even cooling inside and out. When bottles emerge, they're cool, clear, and resilient. Annealing is invisible but essential for quality and safety. Without it, bottles would be weak and prone to breaking. Now the bottles are ready for inspection. Strength and stability are achieved through patience. Every bottle faces rigorous inspection before leaving the factory. High-tech machines scan for cracks, bubbles, and thin spots, flaws invisible to the naked eye. Cameras, lasers, and probes check every surface and measure wall thickness. Even the bottle's opening is tested to ensure a perfect fit for caps. Defective bottles are instantly rejected and sent to be recycled as cullet. This closed-loop system means almost no waste. Every scrap is reused. Only flawless bottles move forward, ensuring safety and quality. The inspection process is fast, precise, and relentless. Recycling rejected bottles makes the process efficient and eco-friendly. After passing inspection, bottles are ready for packing. Perfection is the standard. Nothing less leaves the factory. Next, the journey continues to packaging and shipping. Perfect bottles head to the packing area, where machines arrange them into neat rows. Robotic arms stack bottles onto trays and build pallets, separating layers with cardboard dividers. Pallets are tightly wrapped in plastic film for protection during transport. Each pallet is labeled with details about its contents and destination. Forklifts load pallets onto trucks or shipping containers. The bottles travel by road, rail, or sea to bottling plants. There, they'll be sterilized and filled with everything from drinks to medicines. The journey from sand to bottle is nearly complete. Every bottle is handled with care to ensure it arrives safely. From factory to shelf, the adventure continues. The journey of a glass bottle is a blend of science, art, and sustainability. From sand and cullet to molten glass, shaping, cooling, and inspection, each step is a marvel of engineering. Recycling is at the heart of the process, making glass endlessly reusable. Every bottle is a testament to human ingenuity and care for the planet. Next time you hold a glass bottle, remember its incredible story. It's more than just a container. It's a piece of industrial magic. From fiery furnace to your hand, the adventure is remarkable. With science and creativity, we turn simple sand into something truly amazing.